missing is a 32 count, 4-wall, improver level dance choreographed by Heather Barton. I'm going to start off travelling out to the right with a chassé back rock. So side close side back rock, ready, and side close side back rock. Now travelling to the left, going to step side to the left, behind with the right, and a ball cross, and step the left to the side. Okay, to recap, chassé back rock to the right, ready, and side close side back rock, side behind, ball cross, side. That's your first section. I'll do it for you with the counts. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So your weight's on the left. Now you're going to do a back rock on the right, back rock. Step the right to the side and touch the left next to it. Kick, ball cross, kicking with the left, kick, ball cross, and a side rock. Rock onto the left, recover onto the right. Okay, so from the beginning of section 2, weights in the left, back rock on the right, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock. Now let's add it on from the beginning. Chassé back rock to the right, ready, and side close side, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock. Now for section 3. So you finish section 2 with a side rock, rocking onto the left, recovering onto the right. Make a sailor quarter turn to the left to face 9 o'clock. Sailor quarter turn. Your weight's in the left. Now forward shuffle on the right, forward shuffle, forward rock. So rock forward onto the left, recover onto the right. Now you're going to make a 3/4 shuffle. So it's going to bring you to 12 o'clock. Shuffling, looking over your left shoulder, left, close, left. And you've come round to 12 o'clock. Okay? So if we take that from the side rock, rocking out onto the left, recover onto the right. Ready? And side rock, sailor quarter turn, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4. You're now facing 12 o'clock and the weight's in the left. Now let's add it on from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and side close side, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter turn, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4 shuffle. For the last section, you're going to make what we call a figure of 8. So you finish with the left, weight on the left, and you're facing 12 o'clock. You're going to your figure of 8, stepping side, behind, quarter. So you're now forward on the right, facing 3 o'clock. Make a step half pivot, step forward on the left, half pivot onto the right, make a quarter turn onto the left. So brought you back to 12 o'clock. And then 2 more steps, step behind on the right and make a quarter turn onto the left, to come to 9 o'clock, so you're starting facing a new wall. And you're facing 9 o'clock, and then you'll start the dance again. Okay, so to recap that last section, you have the weight on the left, facing 12 o'clock. Make your figure of 8, side, behind, quarter, step, half pivot, quarter, behind, quarter turn onto the left. You're ready to start on your new wall. So this dance travels in an anti-clockwise direction. Now let's take it from the top. 5, 6, 7, and side close side, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter turn, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4 shuffle, side behind, quarter step, half quarter behind, quarter turn. Now I'll go over the routine with the counts for you. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's practice wall 2 facing 9 o'clock. Chassé back rock to the right. 5, 6, 7 and side close side, back, rock, side behind ball cross, side, back, rock, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter turn, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4 back to 9, side behind quarter step, half quarter behind quarter turn. You should now be facing 6 o'clock. Now let's practice wall 3 facing 6 o'clock, starting with your chassé back rock to the right. 5, 6, 7 and side close side, back, rock, side behind ball cross, side, back, rock, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter turn, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4, side behind quarter step, half quarter behind quarter turn. So now you're facing 3 o'clock. Let's practice wall 4 facing 3. 5, 6, 7 and side close side, back, rock, side behind ball cross, side, back, rock, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter turn, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4, side behind quarter step, half quarter behind quarter turn. You're now back to 12 o'clock. Now let's just practice linking the end of the dance with the beginning. So if you face 3 o'clock, we're going to go from our figure of 8 section, so section 4. Stepping out to the right, ready, and side behind quarter step, half quarter behind quarter turn into the beginning, side close side, back, rock, side behind ball cross, side. Okay? So let's just do that again, facing 3 o'clock, from your figure of 8, taking the right hand to the side, 5, 6, 7, and side behind quarter step, half quarter behind turn, side close side, back, rock, side behind ball cross, side. There's a restart in this dance on wall 5, so you'll be facing 12 o'clock, and the restart comes after the first 16 counts. You have to make a slight step change. The 16 counts will bring you up to the side rock. Instead of doing a side rock, go a step the left to the side and touch the right next to the left. So I'll show you wall 5, starting from the top, side close side, back, rock, side behind ball cross, side, back, rock, side touch, kick ball cross, side touch, then you restart, side close side, back, rock. So that's wall 5. So when you start your second circuit, you'll be facing 12 o'clock. Now let's practice going round all the walls, and we'll also include wall 5 so we can practice our restart as well. 5, 6, 7 and side close side, back, rock, side behind ball cross, side, back, rock, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4 shuffle, side behind quarter step, half quarter behind quarter turn, side close side, back, rock, side behind ball cross, side, back, rock, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4 shuffle, side behind quarter step, half quarter behind quarter turn, side close side, back, rock, side behind ball cross, side, back, rock, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4 shuffle, side behind quarter step, half quarter behind quarter turn, side close side, back, rock, side behind ball cross, side, back, rock, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock. Sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock. 3/4 shuffle, side behind, quarter step. Half quarter behind, quarter turn. Side close side, back rock. Side behind, ball cross, side, back rock. Side touch, kick, ball cross, side touch, restart, side close side, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, and so on. Now let's dance missing with the music. 5, 6, 7, and side close side, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4 shuffle, side behind, quarter step, half quarter behind, touch, side close side, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4, side behind, quarter step, half quarter behind, turn, side press, side, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4, side behind, quarter step, half quarter behind, turn, side press, side, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4, side behind, quarter step, half quarter behind, turn, side press, side, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side touch, restart. Side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4, side behind, quarter step, half quarter behind, turn, chassé, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4, side behind, quarter step, half quarter behind, turn, chassé, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4, side behind, quarter step, half quarter behind, turn, side close side, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4, side behind, quarter step, half quarter behind, turn, chassé, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4, side behind, quarter step, half quarter behind, turn, chassé, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4, side behind, quarter step, half quarter behind, turn, side close side, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball cross, side rock, sailor quarter, forward shuffle, forward rock, 3/4, side behind, quarter step, half quarter behind, turn, chassé, back rock, side behind, ball cross, side, back rock, side touch, kick, ball